Hello students, welcome to the next video of mathematics class. Today we will discuss a new chapter, coordinate geometry of two dimensional 2D. Before starting, first we start Brahmanath. शांति 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 सोचता हूँ. So first we discuss Cartesian coordinate axis. Coordinate axis, you know, Cartesian coordinate axis. Coordinate axis. Let us consider two mutually perpendicular lines x o x dash, y o y dash intersect at o. X o x dash is known as x-axis. This horizontal line x o x dash is known as x-axis, and this vertical line y o y dash is called y-axis. X-axis and y-axis taken together is known as a coordinate axis. O is the origin. Ox is the positive direction of x-axis. Ox dash is the negative direction of x-axis. Similarly, Oy is the positive direction of y-axis. Oy dash is the negative direction of y-axis. Okay, first we write these things. Let us consider two mutually perpendicular lines x o x dash, y o y dash intersect at o. Okay, x o x dash is called x-axis and y o y dash is called y-axis. This vertical line is y-axis, horizontal line is x-axis. O is called origin. O is called origin. X-axis, y-axis together form of x-axis and y-axis is called coordinate axis. Okay, there is two axis. Coordinate axis divides the whole whiteboard, into four equal parts. Each part is called quadrant. Okay. So this is first quadrant and this one is second quadrant. Q2, this is third quadrant Q3, and this is known as fourth quadrant Q4. In first quadrant, it contains positive direction of x-axis, positive direction of y-axis. So the sign of coordinate in the first quadrant is plus plus. The sign of the coordinate in the second quadrant minus plus, and the sign of the coordinate in third quadrant minus minus. Sign of the coordinate in the fourth quadrant is plus minus. Okay. Okay. Sign of coordinate, sign of coordinate in Q1 is plus comma plus. Sign of coordinate in Q2 minus plus. Sign of coordinate in Q3 third quadrant is minus comma minus, and the sign of the coordinate in Q4 is plus comma minus. Okay. Next, coordinates of a point. How can you determine the coordinates of a point? Cartesian coordinates of a point or rectangular coordinates of a point. Okay. Let capital P be a point in a quadrant, in a first quadrant. So how to determine the coordinate of the point P? So for determination of the point P, first we draw two perpendicular line from this point P on x-axis and from the point P on y-axis. On y-axis, capital A be the foot of the perpendicular on x-axis and B the foot of the perpendicular on y-axis. Suppose this distance from origin to A equal to x and the distance from origin to the B equal to y. So its distance is x, this one is y, it is also y. That's why we write the coordinate of the point P equal to x comma y. Okay, so here the coordinate of the point P is x comma y, where x is called x coordinate or abscissa, y is called y coordinate or ordinate. And the coordinate of the point A is x comma 0 because A in the direction of x-axis x distance, but in the direction of y-axis it will be 0. So its coordinate is x comma 0, and the coordinate of the point B equal to 0 comma y, because this point P in 0 distance in the direction of x-axis and at a distance y in the direction of y-axis. Okay, that's why the coordinate of B equal to 0 comma y and the coordinate of A equal to x comma 0. Okay. So if x comma y lies in the first quadrant, its sign is plus plus. If the point P lies in the second quadrant, the sign of the coordinate is minus plus. If this point P of x comma y lies in the third quadrant, the sign of the point is minus minus. Like that in fourth quadrant it will be plus minus. So in this way you have to determine the coordinate of the point P. तेणु जेकोसी गोटे पॉइंट कोऑर्डिनेट बाहर करिया गले से पॉइंट टू एक्स एक्सिस प्रति परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करियो, वाई एक्सिस प्रति परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करा हबो ना नहीं. परपेंडिकुलरटा एक्स एक्सिस ऊपर जो पॉइंट मिसला दैट इज नोन एज फुट ऑफ द परपेंडिकुलर ऑन एक्स एक्सिस. हियर बी इज कॉल्ड फुट ऑफ द परपेंडिकुलर ऑन वाई एक्सिस. So what distance from origin in the direction of x axis, let it be count, and what distance from origin on in the direction of y axis. Okay, this distance measurement is known as coordinate of that point P. Okay. Now we write these things. Let P be a point. P be a point in x or y plane, in the coordinate plane. Okay. P be a point in x or y, in x or y plane. Draw a perpendicular line. Draw perpendicular lines PA and PB from P on x-axis and y-axis Okay, where OA equal to x and OB equal to y, therefore coordinate of point P equal to x comma y, or P of x comma y. Here x is called x coordinate or abscissa, and y is called y coordinate or ordinate. Okay, so x coordinate is known as abscissa and y coordinate is known as also ordinate. Okay, so the coordinate of point on x-axis, coordinate of a point capital A is x comma 0. Coordinate of a point on x-axis, A of x comma 0. Coordinate of a point on x-axis, A of x comma 0. Coordinate of a point on y-axis, B of 0 comma y. In x-axis, y coordinate must be 0. In y-axis, x coordinate must be 0. And the coordinate of origin, since this point O lies at 0 distance in the direction of x-axis and 0 distance in the direction of y-axis, that's why the coordinate of origin, coordinate of origin is 0, O of 0 comma 0. So in this way you have to determine the coordinate of a point, whether this point lies in the first quadrant or second quadrant or third quadrant or a fourth quadrant. Okay, if this point P lies in the fourth quadrant, the sign of the coordinate will be plus minus, and it will be lies in the third quadrant, it will be minus. Okay, so in this way you have to determine the coordinate of a point, coordinate of the point lies in any quadrant. Okay, next, image point. Coordinate of image point. So how to determine the coordinate of image point with respect to x-axis as a mirror or with respect to y-axis as a mirror. Suppose P be a point in the first quadrant and its coordinate is x comma y. So what is the image point? What is the image point of P of x comma y with respect to x-axis? If we consider x-axis as a mirror, what will be image point? So for determination of the image point, first we draw the perpendicular line from this point P on x-axis. Okay, here its distance P is at a distance from x-axis as a distance y, So image point must be lies below to the x-axis, below to the x-axis at the same distance. Suppose this image point is p dash. So p dash be the image point. Okay, because this point must be midpoint of p and p dash. So its distance p from x-axis is y. It is also distance is y, but this point p lies in the fourth quadrant. So its coordinate must be x comma minus y, because this distance is x and this one is y. That's why the coordinate of the point p dash in the fourth quadrant, it will be x comma minus y. कहीं ना इमेज पॉइंट माने ए पॉइंट रो जो इमेज पॉइंट बाहर करिया विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू एक्स एक्सिस अथवा पी पॉइंट टू एक्स एक्सिस ऊपर गोटे परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करो ना नहीं परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ कले फुट ऑन दी एक्स एक्सिस टारू ए पॉइंटा जति डिस्टेंस ऊपर अच्छी इमेज पॉइंट ठीक सीधा से डिस्टेंस तलू रहिबो सो एतिकी वाई अच्छी मीन्स एतिकी भी वाई हबो बट दिस पॉइंट लाइज इन फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट द साइन ऑफ द कोऑर्डिनेट इज प्लस माइनस एर एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट सेम हम वाई कोऑर्डिनेट भी सेम हम बट इट ऑपोजिट साइन ओके सो द image point coordinate of image point of p of x comma y with respect to x axis is x comma minus y. Like that, if we find the image point of p of x comma y with respect to y axis, so first we draw the perpendicular on y axis. Okay, suppose its distance is x, because this point p of x comma y means this distance is x, that's why the distance is x, and the image point must be lies below to the y axis, okay, in the same distance. That was the image point of p dash. So p dash, so is this one is y, it is also y, and your x coordinate is x and y coordinate is this distance is y, this one is x, so its coordinate is minus x comma y. Why it is minus x comma y? Because this point p dash lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant the sign of the coordinate is minus comma plus. Okay, जेहेतु विथ रेस्पेक्ट आम वाई एक्सिस बाहर कले पी पॉइंट टू वाई एक्सिस को परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ कल एति हूँ डिस्टेंस एक्स इमेज पॉइंटा ठीक सीधा से डिस्टेंस पछू ना नहीं सो इट्स कोऑर्डिनेट इज माइनस एक्स कॉमा वाई. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? सो वी राइट कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ इमेज पॉइंट p of x comma y with respect to x axis is with respect to x axis means x axis, which axis is perpendicular, y axis perpendicular, that means y coordinate must be changed. So p dash of x comma minus y जो ए पॉइंट इमेज पॉइंट बाहर करियो with respect to x axis, जेहेतु x axis y axis टा perpendicular, so y coordinate चेंज करियो, साइन चेंज करियो x comma minus y, and with respect to y axis to x axis टा perpendicular, so x coordinate change होबो p dash of minus x comma y. So in this way you have to determine the image point. जेतलो with respect to x axis बाहर करछो y coordinate change करियो, साइन टा चेंज करियो, आ विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू वाई एक्सिस एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट चेंज हम, साइन चेंज हम, प्लस थे माइनस हम, माइनस थे प्लस हम. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल इमेज पॉइंट ऑफ -2,5 with respect to x axis is, you know, in x axis y axis is perpendicular, so y coordinate must be changed -2, -5. With respect to y axis is in y axis x axis is perpendicular, ना कि एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट चेंज करियो तो ये -2 अच्छी +2,5 हम +2,5 ओके. So in this way you have to calculate the image point coordinate of image point. Distance between 2 points, let P of x1 y1 and Q of x2 y2 are 2 points, okay, in the first quadrant, or it may be like in the first second quadrant, whatever may be these 2 points. Now to determine its distance from P to Q, so first we draw perpendicular line from the point P on x-axis PA, and draw another perpendicular line from the point Q on x-axis. Okay. So A be the foot of the perpendicular on x-axis, B be the foot of the perpendicular on y-axis. Since its coordinate P, x coordinate is x1, that means its distance is x1, this distance is x1, and origin from the point B, its distance is x2. So the total distance from A to B is x2 minus x1. Okay. So this distance is x2 minus x1, A to B. So we find distance from P to Q. Here we draw another perpendicular line from the point P on QB. Okay. So its distance is x2 minus x1, like that this distance is also x2 minus x1. So in the right angle triangle PQR, in the right angle triangle PQR, PQ square equal to PR square plus QR square. So PR equal to x2 minus x1, and this distance is y2, Q to B which is y2, and this one is y1. Okay. So PA which is y1 and QB which is y2, but this distance is y2 minus y1. Okay. Do you understand? So PR means x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1 square plus QR means y2 minus y1 square. So PQ equal to root of here x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, y2 minus y1 square, or you can express also x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square, because the square of any number must be positive. So this one is known as distance between 2 points. Therefore distance between 2 points P of x1 y1 and Q of x2 y2, Q of x2 comma y2, x2 y2 is PQ equal to root of here x2 minus x1 square, means x2 minus x1 means difference of x coordinate difference square plus y coordinate difference square, y2 minus y1 square. Okay. So you determine distance between 2 points means square root under x coordinate difference square plus y coordinate difference square. Okay. Distance. Now to determine distance of the point P of x comma y, a coordinate axis y dash, and this is the x dash. You know this one is origin. Suppose one point is given P, one point you write x comma y, P of x comma y. You know the origin, coordinate of origin is 0 0. What is the distance from this point to P? Distance of the point P of x comma y from origin means root of here x coordinate square plus y coordinate square. Note 1, distance of P of x comma y, P of x comma y from origin is OP. So OP equal to root of here x square plus y square, because x minus 0 square that is x square, y minus 0 square that is y square. तेणु P पॉइंट गोटे पॉइंट ओरिजिन के डिस्टेंस अच्छी माने रूट ऑफ x कोऑर्डिनेट स्क्वायर प्लस y कोऑर्डिनेट स्क्वायर डायरेक्टली. ओके. नंबर 2, डिस्टेंस ऑफ द पॉइंट P of x comma y from x axis. So from x axis means you have to draw the perpendicular line from this point P on x axis. तेणु P point to तुम x axis पर perpendicular draw करियो. So A be the put of the perpendicular on x axis. What will be distance PA? Its distance from origin to A is x. Okay. That's why the coordinate of A is x comma 0. So what is distance? X minus x square plus y minus 0 square. So root of here y square. Root of here y square means mod y. Distance of the point P of x comma y from x axis. A point x axis to keti distance rachi from x axis is root of here x minus x square plus y minus 0 square, and which is equal to root of here x minus x 0 y square. So y square root means this is known as a mod y. So distance of the point P of x comma y from x axis means y coordinate must be represent distance from x axis, and x coordinate similarly its distance of the point P of x comma y from y axis. So from y axis means you have to draw another perpendicular line from the point P on y axis. Here B be the put of the perpendicular on y axis, and its coordinate is 0 comma y. So its distance is x minus 0 square plus y minus y square root of it, that is x square square root means mod x. So distance of the point P of x y from y axis is mod x. Do you understand? So distance of the point P of x y from y axis means x coordinate represent. If x coordinate is negative, distance never be negative, so you consider modulus, take it a modulus value to make a positive. तेणु A point x comma y point x axis ru केती distance अछि माने y coordinate represent करियो. A point y axis ru केती distance अछि माने y axis माने x coordinate represent करियो. Okay. So in this way you have to calculate distance between 2 points, or distance of the point P of x y from origin, and distance of the point P of x y from x axis and from y axis. Okay. Next. So number 1 question, find the distance between the following pairs of points. Number 1, 3, 4 and 1, 1. Answer 1. So ए दिरा point और distance बाहर करियो. तो distance equal to root of here x coordinate difference square. This one is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So x coordinate difference square 1 minus 3 square plus 1 minus 4 square, okay, equal to root of here 1 minus 3, so minus 2 square 4 plus minus 3 square 9, root 13. Number 2, so a plus b comma a minus b, another point is a minus b comma a plus b, that means root of here x coordinate square means x coordinate difference square a minus b minus of a plus b. So minus of a plus b means minus a minus b square plus y coordinate difference square y2 minus y1 a plus b minus a plus b square. Okay, do you understand? So plus a minus a cancel, here plus here also plus a minus a cancel. Okay. So minus b minus 2b square means 4b square, and here 2b square, that is also again 4b square. So root of here 8b square. So 8b square means root 8b. So this is 2 root 2b, 2 root 2b. Okay. Next, number 2 answer. If the distance between 2 points 2, 1 and minus 3, k is 13, then find the value of k. So its distance is 13. That means root of here. So exponential differential square minus 3 minus 2, minus 3 minus 2 square plus y coordinate differential square. So y coordinate means here k minus 1 square equal to 13. Do you understand? Minus 3 minus 2 square plus k minus 1 square equal to 13. That means root of here minus 3 minus 2 square. So minus 5 square 25 plus k minus 1 square equal to 13. Now squaring on both sides, that implies 25 plus k minus 1 square equal to 169. That implied k minus 1 whole square equal to 169 minus 25. So 144, and k minus 1 equal to plus or minus 12. Okay. So k equal to 1 plus 12, and another point k equal to minus 1 minus 12. That is k equal to 13, k equal to 13 or minus 13. K equal to 13. Sorry. Here if you take a plus 12 plus 1 alla 13, and minus 1 separately plus 1 haba. So 1 minus 12. So 1 minus 12 equal to minus 11. Minus 11. So k equal to 13 or minus 11. Next, third question is, so that 4 points are the vertices of a rectangle. You know, rectangle means opposite sides, the length of opposite sides are equal, and the diagonals of a rectangle must be equal. That means first you take in a figure, let us consider A, B, C, D. These are the vertices taken in order. Okay, 3 answer. So let A, B, C, D, these are the vertices of a rectangle taken in order. So A point 0, minus 1, B point 6, 7, C point minus 2, 3, D point 8, 3. So first you have to calculate distance from each sides. What is the distance AB? So AB means root of here x coordinate square, differential square 6 minus 0 square. So 6 square, okay, 6 square plus 7 minus 1. So 7 plus 1, 8 square. So 6 square means 36 plus 64, 100. Okay, so root over 100 equal to 10. 100 equal to 10. Then AB. Then you have to calculate another side BC. BC equal to root of x coordinate differential square. So minus 2 minus 6, minus 2 minus 6 minus 8 square. So minus 8 square plus 3 minus 7 minus 4. Okay, 3 minus 7 square, x2 minus x1 minus y2 minus y1, which is equal to minus 8 square equal to 64 plus 16. 8 square, 64 plus 4 square, 16, and which is equal to, yes, you okay, 70. Okay, sorry, 80. 80. So 80. Next, another side, find out the length of another side, that is AB, BC, then CD. So CD distance x coordinate differential square. Okay. So 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 means 10. 10 square plus 3 minus 3 square. This is a 0. So 100 means 10. Okay, CD. Then DA. So DA means y2 minus y1 square, or x2 minus x1 square, x coordinate differential square, 8 minus 0 square, that is 8 square plus 3 minus 1, 4 square. So 8 square होती 64 plus 16. 64 plus 16 equal to root 80. Root 80. So to determine the length of opposite side, whether it is equal or not equal. So here AB equal to length of AB and its opposite side होची CD. So AB equal to 10 and CD equal to 10. So AB equal to CD equal to 10. Okay, and opposite side another adjacent sides DA. So DA equal to CB or BC. DA equal to BC equal to root 80. Next we have to calculate the diagonals AC. So diagonal the length of diagonal AC equal to root of here. What is the distance from AC? -2 -0. -2 -0 square means 2 square, -2 square 4 plus 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 4. So 4 square 16. So 16 plus 4 root 20. Then diagonal DB. So length of diagonal DB equal to root of here x coordinate differential square 8 minus 6 square. 8 minus 6 means 2 square 4 plus 3 minus 7 minus 4 square 16. This is also again 20. So since diagonal AC equal to diagonal DB, okay, so AC, therefore AC equal to DB and opposite sides, length of opposite sides are equal. Therefore these points A of 0, -1, B of 6, 7, C of -2, 3 and D of 8, 3, these are the vertices of a vertices of a rectangle. Okay. Next, prove that the points 3, 4, 8, -6 and 15, 9 are the vertices of a right angle triangle and find its area. So here we prove these 3 points are the vertices of a right angle triangle. You know, in right angle triangle means square of length of one side equal to sum of square of length of two sides, like it. So first we take 3 vertices. One is A, B, C. Answer. Let A, B and C are the vertices of a triangle ABC, whose coordinates A of 3, 4, B of 8, -6 and C of 13, 9. So first we have to find length of each sides AB. So AB equal to root of here, the distance between 2 points AB. So 8 minus 3 square, 8 minus 3 means 5. So 5 square plus -6 -4. So -10 square, which is equal to 25 plus 100. So 125. Okay. Equal to root of here 125. 125. Then AB. BC. So BC equal to root of here B BC, तो 13 minus 8, 13 minus 8 means 5, तो 5 square plus 9 minus तो minus 6, तो 9 plus 6 15, 15 square which is equal to 25 plus 225, 225 which is equal to 250, 250. Okay, then AB, BC, SC. तो distance from A to C, okay, तो A to C means x2 minus x1 square, 13 minus 3 square, 10 square plus 9 minus 4, 9 minus 4 means 5, 5 square is 25, okay, 5 square, 9 minus 4 5, 5 square 100 plus 100 plus 25 which is equal to root over 125. Now AB square equal to 125, BC square 250, then AB square, BC square 250, AC square. So AC square equal to 125. So clearly AB square plus AC square, AB square plus AC square equal to 125 plus 125 which is equal to 250, but 250 equal to BC square. Okay, so this is known as hypotenuse, and one side is length, one side is base, and other side is perpendicular. So we take this in this way figure. So A, B, C. Okay, so here AB. So here AB equal to AB. So root over 125, its length is root over 125 AB, and BC equal to 250, root over 250, and SC equal to root over 125. Okay. So AB square plus AC square equal to BC square. Therefore, these are the vertices of a right angle triangle. Here angle A is 90 degree. AB square plus AC square equal to BC square means that is angle A equal to 90 degree. Angle A equal to 90 degree. Therefore, A of 3, 4, B of 8, minus 6, and C of 13, 9 are the vertices with the vertices of a right angle triangle ABC, right angle triangle. So these are the vertices of a right angle triangle. Next we have to find area. You know, in the right angle triangle, area equal to half into length into breadth. So area of a right angle triangle ABC equal to half into length into breadth. No. So length means one side, and this is the length. So root over 125, length into breadth. Okay, so length into base into height, base into half into base into height. So base होची तमरो 125, height होची root over 125, which is equal to half into 125. Okay, so 125 by 2. So area equal to 125 by 2 square unit. So half into 125 square unit. Okay. Next, how to calculate area of a triangle, any triangle whose vertices are given. Find the area of a triangle whose vertices x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3. So first we take these are the vertices of ABC. Answer. Let A, B, and C be the vertices of a triangle ABC, where A of x1, y1, where coordinates are a of x1 y1, b of x2 y2, and c of x3 y3. Okay. So how to find its area? Suppose this is the coordinate axis. Here x o x dash, and this is known as y o y dash. Here 3 points are there. Suppose these 3 points x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 are lies in first quadrant, or maybe lies in second quadrant, whatever may be there. So here a b c. Okay, a b c, a b c. So a point coordinate naba x1 y1, b point hochi x2 y2, c point ala x3 y3. Okay. To find its area, so first we draw the perpendicular line from the point A on x-axis P, AP. Okay. Next you draw another perpendicular line from the point from the vertices B on x-axis. This is Q, and another perpendicular line R, P, Q, R. Okay. So the coordinate of B is x2 y2. So distance from origin to Q, it is distance of x2, and this distance equal to x1, because the coordinate of A x1 y1 is x coordinate is x1, means the coordinate of P is x1 comma 0. That's why its distance is x1, and its distance from origin to R, that is x3. It also the distance is x3. Okay. So this one is y1, sorry, this one AP, its distance is y1, and this distance is y2, and the C are equal to y3, because the coordinate of C is x3 y3, means y coordinate is y3, that's why its distance is y3. Do you understand? So actually we find area of triangle ABC, means how to calculate the area of triangle ABC. So A, B, P, Q, here A, B, Q, P, this is quadrilateral, means this quadrilateral must be a trapezium. This is one trapezium, and this is another trapezium, A, P, R, C, B, C, R, Q, this is also another trapezium. So area for triangle ABC equal to area of trapezium. Okay, so area for trapezium A, B, Q, P plus area for trapezium A, P, R, C minus area for trapezium B, C, R, Q. तेणु एतिर एरिया बाहर करा गले प्रथम ए ट्रापेजियम रो एरिया कैलकुलेट कराबो, ए ट्रापेजियम रो एरिया कैलकुलेट कराबो, ए टोटल एरिया रु एदिरा ऐड कला पर एथि ए ट्रापेजियम रो एरिया को माइनस कर दले यू विल गेट द एरिया फॉर ट्रायंगल ए बी क्यू सी. ओके, सो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC, area of triangle ABC equal to area of trapezium A, B, Q, P plus area of trapezium APRC minus area of trapezium BQRC. Do you understand? You know the area of trapezium equal to sum of length of two parallel side into height. Okay, which is equal to area of trapezium APBQ. So AP, that is ABQP. So BQ and AP, these are two parallel side. Height, its height means this height. Okay, so this one is x1 and this is x2. So naturally its distance is x1 minus x1 minus x2. एटा होची तमरो x1 minus x2. Its distance is x1 minus x2. Okay. So sum of length of parallel sides, that means y1 plus y2, y1 plus y2 into height. So this height equal to, this one is x1, it was x2, total is x1 minus x2, x1 minus x2 plus area for trapezium APRC, means this side are parallel, that means the sum of length of two parallel sides. So y1 plus y3 into height, height means this height. So this distance is x3 and this one is x1. So this distance is x3 minus x1. This one is x3 minus x1. Okay. This distance is x3 minus x1. Do you understand? Minus x1. Minus area for trapezium BQRC. So which sides are parallel? BQ and C are these are parallel, means y2 plus y3 into height. So this height equal to what? This one is x3 and hochi kono x2, eti hochi tomar x2. Okay, so x3 minus x2, x3 minus x2. Now multiply this one. Now multiply. Okay, so which is equal to, sorry, area of trapezium means half into length of sum of two sides into height. So here half is there, एडी मध्य half रहिबो half. Okay, area of trapezium means half into length of sum of two sides into height. Okay, so half take it common, total in outside in bracket. Now we multiply, ए दिरा को तमे multiply करो, y1 into x1 minus y1 into x2 plus y2 into x1 minus y2 into x2 plus एटा multiply कर दियो, y1 into x3 minus y1 into x1 plus y3 into x3 minus y3 into x1 minus, now multiply y2 plus y3 into x3. तो y2 x3 अगर माइनस अच्छी y2 x3 minus y2 x2 means minus minus plus, तो y2 x2, next we multiply y3, तो minus y3 x3 here minus plus है plus y3 x2 okay. Now next x1 y1 plus x1 y1, here minus x1 y1 cancel, then here y2 x2, then another here y2 x2, here minus a plus opposite side, then y3 x3, here also y3 x3 plus y3 x3 minus y3 x3, these are the cancel. Next remaining part we write this, so half into okay. So x1 y2 minus y1 x2. So y2 x1 y2 into x1, then here you write that term contains x1. तेणु ए टर्म पाखे आउट आम टर्म रखा जो टर्म रे x1 थी y2 x1 ओके एटी भी y3 x1 अच्छी माइनस y3 x1 है. सो then here y2 x1 minus y3 x1, next it is y2 अच्छी minus y1 into x2. Now we rearrange y1 x2, it will be y2 x2 अच्छी plus y3 x2, next y1 x3 okay, then minus y2 x3, then take it common, so which is equal to half into x1 कॉमन ले कौन होची y2 माइनस y3 ओके प्लस x2 टेक इट कॉमन x2 कॉमन ले y3 माइनस y1 प्लस x3 कॉमन ले आसीबो y1 माइनस y2 okay so this is the required area of the triangle ABC whose vertices A of x1 y1 B of x2 y2 and C of x3 y3 so area for triangle ABC equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 okay so this is the area for triangle so this expression can be written in the form of determinate ये जो expression आइला पहले ये expression को हमें जो determinate style लिखिबा you can write in a determinate form you are already know in a determinate form means to calculate cross product of two vectors in term of determinate okay so in this way we have to express this result express in the determinant form or half into determinant of x1 y1 okay half into x1 x2 x3 okay so first we have to write x coordinate of vertices in the first row then we write y coordinate of the second row तो सब जगह vertices रो y coordinate of हमें second row लिखिबा this is y1 y2 y3 next remaining row 1 1 1 so this is a third order determinant because it have three rows the line horizontal line is called row vertical line is known as a column this determinant contains three rows and three columns it is a determinant of order 3 तेणु ये जो एक्सप्रेशन आइला ताको जदि हमें डिटरमिनेंट स्टाइल लिखिबा जदलो ए वर्टिसेस रो x कोनेटा को लिखिया फर्स्ट रो रे हला y कोनेटा को लिखिया हमें सेकंड रो रे अदर पार्ट को 1 1 लिखिबा तो आकु केमदी एक्सपांड करबा यू कैन एक्सपांड बाय रो एटा हम लिखुचे प्लस माइनस प्लस ओके इन हाउ मेनी so in what way you have to expand so half into x1 into y2 minus y3 minus x2 into y1 minus y3 plus x3 into first row जो third column जो y1 minus y2 but here plus is there जदि हम माइनस टी कॉमन नहीं जाए कौन y1 minus y3 हम so this answer equal to this one यार आंसर टा जेती हम यार आंसर टा सेती हम ओके और जदि आम एटा को रो टा को कॉलम रे जदि इंटरचेंज करबा यू कैन कन्वर्ट रोज इनटू कॉलम आल्सो दैट इज a half into x1 x2 x3 or you can express in this way also half into first रो टा को हम फर्स्ट कॉलम लिखिया दैट इज x1 x2 x3 y1 y2 y3 1 1 this is also answer एटा भी आंसर हे पारिबो तो पॉइंट आगो हम लिखिया फर्स्ट वर्टिसेस टा को x1 y1 सेकंड वर्टिसेस टा x2 y2 थर्ड वर्टिसेस टा x3 y3 देन रिमेनिंग पार्ट 1 1 1 तो area of the triangle can be determined by using this formula or by in form of determinate either rows or columns है now we will do one question using this formula to find area so find the area of a triangle whose vertices are 4 6 0 4 and 6 2 okay so first you have to take three vertices answer here x1 y1 y1 equal to 4 6 x2 y2 equal to 0 4 x3 y3 equal to 6 2 you know the area of a triangle equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3, y coordinate difference, y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1, x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay. So you difference y coordinate in order, then gote order re tame y coordinate difference kariyo, y2 minus y3 plus y3 minus y1 plus y1 minus y2. Okay. So half into x1 means 4, so 4 into y2 minus y3. So y2 minus y3 means okay, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 plus x2, x2 means 0, so 0 into, okay, 0 into y3 minus y1, this is y3, 2 minus y1, y1 means 6, so what 0 into number 0, okay. So next plus x3, x3 means 6, so 6 into y1 minus y2, y1 6 minus y2, y1 minus y2, 6 minus 4, okay, which is equal to half into ये 4 minus 2 कैसे ला 2, 2 into 4 कैसे 8 plus 0 plus 6 minus 4 2 into 12, तो 12 plus 8 20, 20 by 2 10 unit, 10 square unit, okay. So area of a triangle whose vertices 4, 6, 0, 4 and 6, 2 is 10 square unit. In the next class we will discuss what is the condition if area of a triangle is 0, okay, and another concept. Thank you.